outside washing his car. And it takes all of my might not to scream out, "Hey, can you do mine next?" Stuff like that.
Like dad jokes. There's one I liked. It said, saying, they just don't make them like they used to when you're talking about a wooden dresser. Like those kind of things is definitely one. And also at Home Depot, I'm going, oh yeah, that's some good lumber. That's a dad thing. I mean, these are more dad's things than middle-aged, I guess.
Or how about, you're like, oh, somebody asks you if you want to go out to dinner, and you say, no, I can't, because, I got some chicken in the fridge, and it's defrosting. I got to make sure I eat that before it goes bad. When you're younger, you don't care about that stuff.
I've had all of these conversations. One, too, is like a riveting conversation with someone about the best office chairs for lower back support. That's one that'll definitely, it's a weird thing that what becomes important. And there must be parts of our brain that completely shut off. I was talking to a mom recently, and she was talking about the screen time and, getting fresh air, all that nonsense that moms always talk about. And I'm like, do you just forget being a kid? Do you forget that sometimes you just want to watch TV? Just let the kid watch TV for crying out loud. It's like my buddy always says, he goes, the fresh air isn't going anywhere. It'll be sunny again. Like, who cares? It's one day out of all the days in their life. Stop torturing everything.
I always do that with Freddie, then in the middle of it, I just stopped, stone cold, right in the middle of the conversation, and I went, oh my God, I'm my dad. What the heck happened? And he looked at me like, quizzically, like, what are you talking about? I went, don't worry about it, dude. Go back on your iPad.
My dad tried to get me with the TV stuff. He would just tell me, he wouldn't say stop watching it and go outside and play. He'd say, keep watching it. Your brain's going to get smooth and you'll be stupid. If you want to be stupid, keep watching TV. And that's me go, I don't want to be stupid. I don't want my brain to get smooth. And that's sort of, a tack that maybe isn't the best. Ridicule's not always great.
I don't think psychiatrists are going to back you up on that.
No.
94 HJY.
What does it cost to be a member or play on some of the great American golf courses? Augusta. How much is the initiation fee at Augusta? What do you think, Paul?
I'm going to say $150,000.
Forbes estimates it up to $500,000.
Wow.
How about public courses to play around greens fees at Pebble Beach? $575 for a round of golf. Pinehurst, number 2, North Carolina, $495 for greens fees. In TPC Sawgrass in Florida, greens fees are $720
Oh my
per
God!
round.
What about Pirates Cove in Yarmouth on the Cape?
It's
still about $8. Yeah.
And buy one, get one free.
Hey, you've got 12 chances every weekday between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. to win a lot of cash. We call it Assault the Vault. Your next chance tomorrow morning right here at 94 HJY.
We made USAA insurance for members like Martin, a veteran made of conviction. He believes if you're going to do something, you should do it right. Like measuring twice and cutting once. So when a hailstorm hit his house, USAA reached out to him before he could even inspect the damage. Martin said, that's how you do it right. His roof and car were fixed up before his neighbor could even get started. USAA Insurance is made the way members like Martin and his family need it. With hassle-free claim service to help get you back to normal fast. Save more when you bundle home and auto. Get a quote today at USAA.com/insurance. USAA. What you're made of, we're made for. Ability to receive a quote depends on membership eligibility. Product, membership eligibility, and bundling savings restrictions apply and are subject to change. United Services Automobile Association and its affiliates, San Antonio, Texas.
We want to see ya.
Check it.
Yeah, he
He's on 290.
The Keno 35K giveaway has begun.